Hi, this is Odisha Education and Development Center. Today we are going to learn Microsoft Excel powered by Odisha Education and Development Center, oedci.com. So let's have an introduction of Microsoft Excel. So Microsoft Excel, also called as MS Excel, is one of the most powerful electronic spreadsheet application package. Comes with Microsoft Office package developed by Microsoft company of USA. So Microsoft Excel is used for creating small databases. Small databases create करिया पे Microsoft Excel use होची. Maintaining statistical and accounting records. Statistical and accounting records maintenance by Microsoft Excel use होची. Data storage and manipulations like stock and inventory management. स्टॉक और इन्वेंटरी मैनेजमेंट पाई माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल यूज होची. पेरोल मैनेजमेंट, सैलरी डिसबर्समेंट, वाइड रेंज ऑफ कैलकुलेटर्स लाइक ईएमआई कैलकुलेटर, इंटरेस्ट कैलकुलेटर एंड फर्दर सो ऑन. प्रोफेशनल डाटा रिप्रेजेंटेशन, डाटा माइनिंग एंड डाटा एनालिसिस फॉर टैक्टिकल मैनेजमेंट डिसीजंस. सो मैनेजमेंट डिसीजंस पाई जेकोसी डाटा एनालिसिस किंबा डाटा रिप्रेजेंटेशन आमे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल यूज करिके करि परिबा. द ओरिजिनल नेम ऑफ माइक्रोसॉफ्ट एक्सेल एप्लिकेशन इज एक्सेल, EXCEL. Simply Excel is the original name of Microsoft Excel application. The Excel document is otherwise called as an Excel workbook. As like Microsoft Word document, Word file are otherwise called as Word document. In the same way, Excel document or Excel file is otherwise called as Excel workbook. The extension name of Microsoft Excel workbook is .xls before Microsoft Excel 2007. So Microsoft Excel 2007 से पहले Microsoft Excel 2003, Microsoft Excel XP, Microsoft Excel 2000, Microsoft Excel 97 and so on. All these Microsoft Excel workbook extension name was .xls, and on Microsoft Excel 2007 and after onwards the extension name of Microsoft Excel workbook is .xlsx. So after Microsoft Excel 2007, Microsoft Excel 2010, Microsoft Excel 2013, Microsoft Excel 2016, Microsoft Excel 2021, all of the workbook after 2007 have the extension name as .xlsx. So let's go how to open Microsoft Excel. So click on start button. You can note all these things. आपण note करि परिबे. So click on start button, press window key. Either we can click on the start button or we can press window key. It will open the start menu list. Then type Excel, EXCEL Excel. We can type the Excel or search in all programs for Microsoft Office and Microsoft Excel. Or simply the app name is Excel is available after 2010. So click on Microsoft Excel or Excel app icon. Select through keyboard and press enter, or we can click over the application name. Just have the practical over it. आमे यार practical करी देखिवा. Click on start button. Start button रे click करिया. This is the start button. We can click over here. So we can search for the Excel application and click over the Excel application, or we can type. After clicking over the start button or by pressing the window key, we can type EXCEL Excel. So it will show the Excel application and click over it. Otherwise press enter in order to open Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel हमें open करि परिबा. So press Ctrl N to have a blank workbook or blank Excel document. So Excel documents are called as workbooks. So Ctrl N, press for new blank workbook. Otherwise we can go for a template. There are several types of templates like business templates, personal templates, planners and trackers, list, budgets, charts, calendars. There are several types of budgets. We can see like business templates. Templates are the workbooks already developed. Only we need to change the data only, or some of the manipulation. General ledger with budget. So create. Now it's created a new budget with general ledgers. Advertisement, office equipment, printers. These are the titles. These are the GL code where actual expenditure will be made over the budgets. So exceeding budget we cannot do expend, and what are the remaining budget will be shown. Like if I have advertisement budget of $25 to $50, so next 99.75% of the budget is remaining, as it is already allocated 1 lakh budget, $1 lakh. So in this way we can change the data. These are the different worksheets related to the same document. So in the same way we can have okay, next procedure to open. Procedure 2, press window key R, window key plus R, type Excel and press enter. Let's see. Window key plus R, it will open the run control window. Type Excel, press enter or click OK. So it will open the Microsoft Excel window. So if I am going to create a new blank workbook, just click over the blank workbook, press Ctrl N and click on blank workbook. Blank workbook upare click kale what a blank workbook it will be created. So what are the content of Microsoft Excel window? This is the title bar, this is the quick access toolbar, and these are the 3 control buttons. This is the file menu. These all options we have already studied in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word रे ये सब options हमें पढ़ी सारचे. Then home tab, insert tab, page layout tab, formulas tab, data tab, review tab, view tab, help tab, OEDC tab. It is created. We can create our own tab even. So later on we will read how to create a tab and different options for different actions. Then this is the worksheet area or spreadsheet area. Then sheet tab. Then this is the status bar, and this is the horizontal scroll bar, and this one is the vertical scroll bar. So let's see and have a look over the sheet area. This is a grid of row and columns, and worksheet is a set of grid of row and columns. So earlier, before 2007, there was 65,536 rows and 256 columns. So earlier in Microsoft Excel and worksheet, this was the sheet 1. So by default there were 3 sheets were available before 2010, and on 2010 Microsoft Excel or after it is only available with sheet 1. केबे केबे exam रे आसे जे how many number of default worksheets are available with a new workbook in Microsoft Excel. So it is 1. And an Excel worksheet contains 65,536 rows and 256 columns before 2007. and on or after 2007 it is 16,384 columns and 10,48,576 rows. Let's see, is it available or not? So control left arrow to go to first cell. So cell is the intersection of row and column. An intersection of row and column, a box is appearing, is called as cell. So control home we can press to move the cursor to the beginning of the cell. Control down arrow to see the last row, that is 10,48,576, and in the same way control right arrow key we can press to reach the cursor, to move the cursor to the last column XFD, that is 16,384. Let's see it is available or not. 1, 2. Then select both of them and shift plus control plus right arrow key to select up to the last column. Just press Alt E I S and press enter. It will fill the series by stepping 1, that is 16,384 columns. So 16,384 columns and 10,48,576 rows an Excel worksheet contains. So next is, we can see the formula bar. It's a new in Microsoft Excel. So formula bar is appearing after the ribbon, below to the ribbon. The formula bar, the below bar is called as formula bar, and the left side of the formula bar contains name box. The name box shows the current cell reference name. This is I column and 10 rows, so I10. So if it will be D column and 5 row, so it shows D5. So current cell reference name, it shows as column name and row number. So what is the cell reference name of first cell? That is A1, A column and 1 row. So in the same way, all of the cell and cells are named as column name and row number. The last cell reference name is XFD 10,48,576. So next we will see how to write the data in the cell. So just click over the particular cell we want to insert the data and type the data like roll number. So next put a tab or press enter. We can move to the next cell, name and marks, as I have entered. So the formula bar contains the value or the reference or the formula contained by the current cell, current cursor pointing cell. How? So this is roll number, it is written. So formula bar contains roll number. Here name is written, the formula bar contains name. So if I am entering roll number as 1001, name as Ranjan, marks 450. Next roll number 1002, name Santosh, 410. So this way I have entered some of the data. So if I am going to change the content, आमे जदि content किसी change करिया पे चाहिए, then we can press F2 to edit the cell value. F2 is used to edit the cell value. So if I am changing the value of Ranjan as Ranjan Kumar Singh, so press select the, put the cursor over the Ranjan, press F2, then type the content. So it has changed. By double clicking over the column border, it will set the column width as the data entered. So if I am writing here equal to C2 plus C3, so it will display 860, whereas the formula bar contains equal to C2 plus C3, but the cell shows 860. So यह द्वारा आमे जानी परले सेल र कंटेंट, सेल रेफरेंस नेम है पारे, कोनोसी मैथमेटिकल एक्सप्रेशन है पारे, फॉर्मूला है पारे, और एनी कंटेंट है पारे. So that content, that formula, that mathematical expression will be shown in the formula bar, whereas the resultant value will be displayed over the cell. Let's have some more example over the mathematical expressions and calculations in Microsoft Excel. So let it to be roll number, name, science mark, mathematics mark, English. Next I am here calculating total. So total, how do we can calculate the total? Equal to C2 plus C3, not C3, D2 plus E2 plus F2 plus G2. So this way we can calculate the total manually. For example, percentage. I am calculating the percentage even. So what will be the percentage? Equal to H2 into 100 by total mark is 500. Next comes filling these data to below cells. So select the cells, press Ctrl D to fill data down. Ctrl D is to fill data down. Then save the document. Let me save this in the desktop. Student details, student marks, mark details. So I am closing the document. So again I am opening the document, workbook. I am typing 1003, then Sushant Kumar Sahu, 74, 89, 87, 58, 66. Press enter. So select one of them and drag it over to the next. Even drag to the next, it will show 0. Then 1004, Samir Kumar Behra, so it is calculating automatically. Save the document, close the document and open it again. Devendra Behra, press enter, it will calculate automatically. So after entering the data, it will calculate the total and percentage automatically. After repeated entry of the data, the Excel is understanding automatically. It is using the artificial intelligence that the total and percentage will be calculated automatically. So that's why it is calculating automatically after entering multiple times of same data. So this is how we can do calculate. For the totaling, we can use sum function, sum, then select all of them, then bracket close, enter. So fill down, control D, select the data and press control D. All have written sum function. So this way we can use some calculations over Microsoft Excel. So if I want to print this Excel sheet or this data sheet to the printer, then select the data area, press Ctrl P. So it is not showing the borders or lines, simply it is showing in a column format. So select multiple columns and click over any of the border of the column. It will set the column width automatically as the content fit. So select the data, choose home tab, click on borders, click on all borders. It will apply the border for all the cells. Press Ctrl F2 to show the print preview. Ctrl F2 is used to show the print preview, and click on print. It will print the document in the selected printer. As of the selected printer, it will print the document. So this way we can create the document for printing with little mathematical operations. So for the same document content, same data content, we can insert chart for the same. So this is the insert chart, and more statistical charts like bar chart. I want to insert a column chart. So this is the column chart. We can select and click OK. It will insert a column chart. For the selected data range, if I don't want total and percentage, so unselect total and percentage, then apply the document. It will only show the marks of science, math, English, SSC and ODI. If I want to see only total and percentage, I don't want to see all these marks, so uncheck all these marks and click apply. So it will show only the total and percentage. If I don't want to see even percentage, it will only show total marks of different students. 1001 for Ranjan Kumar Singh. By mouse over it, it will display all the content. Just see. And this is how we can insert a chart for the selected data and can edit the values as we required. Thanking you.